Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to P Tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile using the Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture. After that, tap on the three-line menu located in the top right corner. Next, under Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy Center. Now scroll down and look for the section called Looking for More Privacy Settings. Then tap Facebook. After that, select your Facebook account. On this page, scroll down and look for the profile locking option. If the button at the bottom is grayed out, it means that your Facebook account is currently using professional mode. To lock your profile, you'll need to turn off professional mode first. To do that, go back to your Facebook profile page. Then tap on the three dots next to your profile. Next, tap Turn Off Professional Mode. Tap Continue, then select Turn Off. Once the process is complete, tap Close. Now, let's continue with locking your Facebook profile. Follow the same steps as before. Go to Privacy Center, then tap Facebook. Select your Facebook account. Scroll down and select Profile Locking. Next, tap Lock Your Profile. If you see a confirmation message like this, it means your Facebook profile has been successfully locked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pi Tutorial for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.